Are nailing up the roof and you are using a gun, one of the most important things is nail placement. So where do you nail them? Just like that. You notice he's leaving a small gap right there between them nails, them two nails right there, and that's so that his next shingle that he's getting ready to put on, right there, and we'll walk around him. See there? You never line up the shingles to where you're going to have a nail near your leg, because you never want another nail anywhere as close to this, because what's going to happen? It's going to leak, right? Spread the nails out properly, and the package actually tells you to nail them this way. So nail them the way the package says, just like that. So you never have a nail exposed to the weather. 6 nails here in North Carolina. We're in the high wind zone. Pyramid, just like this. How to install shingles. No, I'm not doing it 100 miles an hour. I'm not trying to be the fastest guy on the internet. I'm trying to be the best.
Didn't I tell you?
So, speed doesn't have anything to do with how good the roofer is. Speed, matter of fact, will make your roofer bad. So slow down, nail them where it says to. There's a white line. Nail it where it says to on the white line, and use the proper nailing instructions. I hope this video helped somebody nail shingles properly. So we got a pyramid going all the way up. See?